Hey, what's up everybody? This is C.L.S. all-in-one. In today's video, I will share with you a very cool product I've been testing out, made by Carpuride. So this is basically a smartphone companion that allows you to link your phone to your existing car stereo and transform it into a modern car stereo with smart features, such as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, with voice control, navigation, backup camera support, and much more. Now let's take a quick look at what comes inside the box. Here is the main unit, and this does have some plastic film to protect the screen, and this is meant to be removed once it's installed. So this unit does feature a touchscreen, and it also has a couple touch buttons on the left side of the panel and a volume control knob as well. On the back and the center is where the mounting bracket attaches. Then on the left side is a built-in speaker which can be turned off and on, and on the top is the power button. And on this side is where you'll find all the connection ports. So here is a 5-volt power port, a USB connection, an audio video out, a camera input, a micro SD card slot, and a microphone input. Here's a look at the two mounting brackets this comes with. One has a flat base and can be screwed in place, and the other has a suction cup base, and both of these are highly adjustable. Here is an aux cable, and this can be used to connect the sound output from this device to your car stereo if it has an aux input. Here is the power cable, which plugs into a standard 12-volt port. And this is the rear view camera, which ties in with your backup lights and turns on automatically when backing up your vehicle. And it also comes with a nice colored manual with clear instructions. Now it's time to go test this out in my vehicle. So I chose to use the suction cup mount because it fits a little bit better on this rounded dash surface. To hook up this device, it's super simple. Just plug in one end of the power cord into the 5-volt USB-C power port on the device, and the other end into a standard 12-volt port on your vehicle. Then it should power right up, and it usually boots up pretty quick. To link the sound from this device to your car stereo, there is two options. You can use the supplied aux cord if your vehicle has an aux input, which I would recommend if your vehicle has one because that will produce the best sound quality. Or you can use the built-in FM transmitter, which works by tuning the transmitter on the device to the same station as your car stereo, but you'll want to pick a station that is not being used already because that may cause interference. So now I just need to power on my car stereo and tune it to 88.7, and that should link the sound. Then connect my phone to the Carpuride device via Bluetooth, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay. The volume can be adjusted at the device, but the master control for the volume will still be on the car stereo. As far as the sound quality goes, it's pretty good, but there is a little bit of static noise I can hear in the background when using the FM transmitter. So overall, I would say it works okay, but I did notice some radio interference when traveling through different towns. And every time you power the unit off, you do have to go back in and turn the FM transmitter back on. There is a couple settings that you can play with, such as the language, key color, turning the device speaker on and off, and changing the screen layout for a right side driving vehicle. And you can also change the phone USB connection settings from Android Auto to AutoLink, which is screen mirroring. Now let's try out the Android Auto feature. So it automatically pops up Google Maps, so I will go ahead and use the voice button and try the navigation. Navigate to Walmart.
Okay, Walmart Supercenter 2.1 miles away.
So it looks like that works well. Now let's check out some of the other features. So only the apps that are compatible with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay will be visible. When using my Android phone, it includes a lot of the basic apps or features such as the phone, calendar, messages, weather, and a few entertainment apps such as Spotify and iHeart, which work well, but they are a stripped-down version with somewhat limited features designed for in-vehicle use. Now let's try out a phone call using the voice control button. Call Walmart.
Calling Walmart.
Thank you for calling your local Walmart.
So that worked out well with no issues. Now let's check out the screen mirroring feature. This is a really neat feature, but it does require installing the AutoLink app on your phone and connecting it to the device with a USB cable. And as you can see here, my phone is now being mirrored on this screen, and I even have touch screen control over my phone as well. But it does get a little weird when accessing the home screen because of the portrait screen layout, which becomes rather small. But when using apps that support the landscape screen layout, it works well. This device also features a 16-band equalizer, so you can adjust the sound to your liking. And last on the list to check out is the rear view camera. So this did take a fair amount of work to install, which involved wiring to the back of the vehicle and tying in with the backup lighting. But the effort was well worth it because now I have a camera that automatically turns on when I back up the vehicle. Okay, it's now time for me to go. But for anyone out there who is interested in this product or any of their other products, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. If you liked this video, if you could hit that like button and please subscribe. And have yourself a great day, and I'll see you next time.